Stop wasting money on expensive protein powders. What if I tell you you can make a powerful, natural, chemical free protein powder at home using simple nuts and seeds? Yes, this homemade protein powder is packed with protein, healthy fats, energy boosters, and immunity strengthening ingredients. Perfect for muscles growth, weight gain, weakness, hair health, and overall strength. And the best part, no artificial flavors, no preservatives, 100% natural. Let's see how to make this super healthy protein powder step by step. So stick around this video and don't skip any single part. Here are the powerful ingredients you saw in the pictures. We are using almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, four seeds means mixed melon seeds. Fox nuts means makhana, roasted chana, black sesame seeds, edible gum means cone, it is optional, fennel seeds, cardamom, dry coconut, raisins, suji, semolina, brown sugar, and a little desi ghee for roasting. Take all ingredients 25 grams, only fennel seeds 15 gram, and suji 1 cup. Each ingredient has a special role. This is not just a powder, this is a complete nutrition blend. Now let's prepare it. Take a pan and spread the desi ghee lightly and dry roast almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, mixed melon seeds, and roasted chana separately on low flame. Roast them until slightly crunchy, do not burn them. Add a little bit desi ghee and roast makhana. This makes digestion easier and enhances taste. Lightly roast fennel seeds for aroma and digestion support. Edible gum is optional, you can use it, it is essential. For edible gum, you have to use desi ghee a little bit and then you have to just dry roast it. And when you roast it, it becomes very crispy. In the end, you have to roast semolina means suji with desi ghee until it becomes light brown. Cool completely all ingredients. This step is very important. Let everything cool completely before grinding. Now add all roasted nuts and seeds into a grinder. Add dry coconut raisins, pour mixed melon seeds, cardamom, grind into a fine powder. Mix well and in the end add raisins. Before adding them, you have to just wash them and dry it and you can just dry roast it as well. Add 3 tablespoons brown sugar. Store it in an airtight glass jar. It can last for 1 to 2 months easily, but you can preserve it in fridge. How to use it? Take 1 tablespoon of this powder, or you can take 2 teaspoon in a glass of warm milk. Mix well and drink daily. You can also use it in different methods. You can add it to smoothies or banana shakes, sprinkle it over oatmeal or yogurt. Best time to take it, I am just telling you, morning on empty stomach or after workout. Let's talk about the benefit. Now, the most important part is the benefit. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, roasted chana, and four magas seeds are rich in plant protein. They help build muscles naturally and support healthy weight gain. This powder boosts energy instantly. Walnut raisins and makhana provide a natural energy perfect for people who feel weakness, tiredness, or low stamina. It improves hair and skin health. Pumpkin seeds, black sesame seeds, and almonds contain vitamin E and healthy fats that promote glowing skin and stronger hair. It strengthens bones. Makhana, black sesame seeds, and nuts contain calcium and magnesium, which support bone strength. And it also supports digestion. Fennel seeds and cardamom improve digestion and reduce bloating. It boosts immunity. Dry fruits and seeds are loaded with antioxidants which help fight infections. and it is the natural brain booster. Walnuts are known as brain food. This powder helps improve focus and memory. Who can take this? Like gym beginners, growing teenagers, weak or underweight individuals, students, working professionals, elderly people, but they can take in small quantity. But remember, if you have nut allergy, diabetes, or medical conditions, consult your doctor first. So why buy expensive protein powders filled with chemicals when you can make this powerful natural protein powder at home? Simple, affordable, and effective. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share it with your family, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health remedies. And tell me in the comments, will you try this homemade protein powder? Stay healthy, stay natural.